In this video, you will see the Roger gate motor installation in a quick time. This is Roger gate motor and cabling here, you can see, and this is the gate. This gate is almost 6 meter, about 6 meter. I am starting this cabling covering with the pipe, flexible pipe. We'll cover all these cables. This pipe will cut, which is coming out, and we'll cut this and fix all flexible pipes to cover the cable to bring it out from the foundation plate. All this our cable is covered by flexible pipe. You can see the all wires are set, and now I bring foundation on it, foundation plate. This is the foundation plate. We're fixing a marking for the drill. We'll mark for the drill to fix the bolt inside. The mark is done. Now I'll drill the holes. Making hole for 16 bolts, 16 foundation plate and the motor. So once it's done, we'll fix the plate and fix the gate motor on it. I'm using 10 mm 6 volt to fix the gate motor. So once the hole is done, we fix the foundation plate and the gate motor. So the hole is done now. Now fixing plate. This is we are fixing plate on the hole we make. The bolt are also there. Now you can see this motor is fixed on plate and motor is fixed on the ground. Now we are going to fix the motor racks. See this racks we are fixed already. Some racks are remaining that will complete. This is photocell installation. We install photocell one side, and this is the other side we are installing. After completion, we will start the programming. Now here we will start the programming. We press this button to go in the program. Is come CP, then this 200 will appear. We will set here in 99. This is for programming. We started. Now we go on 71 to set the direction of the gate. The direction, this motor is installed on the left side. The default is coming right side. This is 7101. We change and 00 will set, and now this is set on the left side. Now we'll press once again to come out from the programming, and then we press and hold the same but switch for the programming auto set. Now I'll press and hold. The AB will appear there. Until wait, I'll press again, and this is auto, and the gate is start opening. The programming is start now. I'll have to wait until the gate will fully open. Let's wait for programming. The gate will fully open. and after that it will start closing. You should wait until the gate will open full for the programming. Now this gate is opening and this is now, it will stop here and now it will start closing. After a while this is starting now closing. You'll have to wait until the gate will close completely. But before you doing the programming, you must fix the stopper there. You can see there is a white stopper, magnetic stopper. You have to fix this before starting the auto programming set. After the gate completely closed, the programming is done. You can test it. This is the final stage. So this is how you can program the gate motor. Hope you like this video, you got something in this. If you like this video, thanks very much.